Tesla Incorporated delivered 550 of its new version 3 electric cars in the fourth quarter, absent stock market expectations, as it attempts to defeat production issues that affected the rollout of its most affordable four-door. Shares of the Pena Alto California-based company dropped 1.7% to $312 in aftermarket trading. The electric car developer on Wednesday pushed back again for the other time at its target of manufacturing 5,000 Model 3 cars per week to the conclusion of the second 4. Tesla had primarily forecasted to achieve the milestone in December, but in November deferred the point to the end of the first quarter. The latest four-door is critical to Tesla's long-term success, as it is the least expensive of its cars currently and is the only one capable of transforming the niche automaker to a mass producer amid a sea of rivals getting into the nascent electric vehicle market. Analysts had expected Tesla to deliver 100 Model 3 cars in the fourth, according to financial data and analytics firm FactSet. The estimates for Style 3 deliveries by different brokerages varied widely. Whilst Evercore analysts estimated 800 deliveries, Cowen experts expected just 250. Tesla said 860 version 3 vehicles were in transit to customers at the end of the fourth quarter. Tesla said it delivered a total of 870 vehicles in the fourth 4, including 200 Style S vehicles and 120 Model X automobiles. Analysts had expected total deliveries of approximately 31,000. In the last 8 working days of the quarter, we made 793 Model 3s. In addition to the last few days, we hit a production rate on all of our manufacturing lines that extrapolates to over 1,000 Model 3s per week, Tesla said in an affirmation. The Model 3 begins at $35,000, or about 50% the price of its range-topping Model S, and over 500,000 customers have put down a will-be-given-back deposit for the automobile.